All right, I am right now in Spearfish Canyon. Just had a bite to eat and just sitting here enjoying watching the bikes go by on the road. And I'm going to be heading to the Full Throttle tonight. It's going to be my very first visit there. I've never been there. So yeah, they have Hank Williams Jr. Performing tonight. I really wanted to see him. I've never seen him perform before, so opportunity knocks. So, so to the Full Throttle I go tonight. That will be the next. That's probably going to be the next video clip after this one. I just wanted to have an opening clip here at Spearfish Canyon. It's a beautiful ride out here, and beautiful just sitting here too, watching the bikes go by. And of course, I did not have any cameras on the bike or anything. So as far as live streaming, again, that's still up in the air on the bike. You know, live streaming from on the bike, that's still up in the air. I don't know if that's going to happen yet. We'll have to see how that plays out. But anyways, let's take a look at some of the traffic going by. Yeah, it's kind of light right now, of course. Right when I get the camera out, well, but that's what it looks like around here. Anyways, now nobody's coming by. And there you go. That's what it's like sitting here watching the bikes go by here in Spearfish Canyon. So anyways, my next video, like I said, my next video clip will probably be at the Full Throttle. I don't have anything planned in between there then and now. So, okay, anyways, talk to you later. Well, it's later. Here I am in the Full Throttle Saloon. First time here. Just got parked. Take a little look around right here. Gotta remember, I'm right across from Distillery Word. Oh gosh. There it is, up close and personal. Saloon is insane. It's an incredible place. Wow. Incredible facility and lots of people here, a lot of activity, and just amazing. Wow.
Security's looking for you if somebody's having an attack right now. Over there? All right, real quick. Full Throttle Saloon, one more time. How y'all doing out there? Come on, make some noise. What do you think of this? Hank Williams Jr. tonight, my friends. I tell you, this is an incredible adventure, and I'm glad that y'all are taking it with us. What do you think of all these bridges? What do you think of all this stuff here? The biggest crowd in 27 years that I have ever seen at the Full Throttle Saloon. Put your hands together, give yourselves a big round of applause. Come on. Now, real quick, don't forget, like I said, coming up in just a little bit, Mr. Hank Williams Jr. Tomorrow, we welcome Tesla on our main stage tomorrow night. Tuesday night, we welcome Chris. Make this man some noise. This is Hank Williams Jr.
Just got back to camp, and man, the Full Throttle just blew me away. It exceeded my expectations of what I was expecting, and they've developed a really incredible place there, and an awesome concert by Hank Williams Jr. too. I'm so glad that I went. I enjoyed it, and really a great venue there. It really took it up probably a level or two at the Full Throttle there. And I've never been there. This is my very first time there, and I was really impressed. I mean, that was really something else. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up this video, and so yeah, had an awesome day today. So all right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.